Best Professional Gymnastics Adults, Top Picks Reviewed. Gymnastics bars offer a great way to improve strength, balance, and flexibility. They are perfect for practicing at home or in a professional setting. Finding the right bar can be challenging due to the many options available. Some bars are better suited for beginners, while others meet the needs of more experienced gymnasts. List number 1. Expandable Gymnastics Bars. Introducing the TopMeco Expandable Gymnastics Bars, perfect for young gymnasts eager to practice at home. Designed with adjustable height, these bars grow with your child, offering endless fun and training opportunities. The sturdy construction ensures safety, while the folding feature makes storage easy. Kids can enjoy hours of exercise, improving their skills and building confidence. Ideal for beginners, these bars bring the excitement of gymnastics into your living room. Advantages: perfect for growing kids. The adjustable height suits children of all ages. Ensures long-term use. Easy storage solution. Folds quickly for convenient storage. Saves space efficiently. Enhances physical development. Encourages strength and flexibility in young gymnasts. Builds confidence too. Durable and safe design. Sturdy construction provides safety during practice. Parents feel secure. List number 2. Seliyoo Gymnastics Bar Gymnastic Kit Bar. Seliyoo Gymnastics Bar offers an exciting way for kids to practice gymnastics at home. Its adjustable height caters to different skill levels, ensuring a perfect fit for ages 8 to 20. The super stable triangle structure keeps it steady during energetic routines. With a robust 550 pounds weight capacity, it supports users confidently. Enjoy a safe and fun workout experience with this well-designed gym equipment. Perfect addition to any home gym. Advantages: adjustable height suits kids aged 8 to 20 years. Perfect for growing children. Super stable triangle structure ensures safety during exercises. No wobbling. Spacious 6-foot width allows various gymnastics moves. Encourages creativity. Supports up to 550 pounds, strong and durable for daily use. Easy to assemble for home gyms. Saves time and effort. List number 3. Marula Gymnastics Double Horizontal Bars 3-Play. Discover the Marula Gymnastics Double Horizontal Bars. Perfect for gymnastics training at home or in clubs. The 304 stainless steel arms ensure durability and stability. Fiberglass rail offers a smooth and safe experience. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Enhance your practice with this versatile equipment. Advantages: elevate gymnastics practice with Marula's versatile training bars. These bars offer stability, ensuring safety during intense workouts. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, adapting to any environment. Crafted from durable materials, they promise long-lasting performance. Adjustable features allow personalized setups for diverse routines. Ideal for home and club use, accommodating various skill levels. List number 4. Double Horizontal Bars, Junior Uneven Bars. Transform your home into a gymnastics haven with the Cabba Double Horizontal Bars. Perfect for budding gymnasts, these Junior Uneven Bars offer adjustable heights from 36 to 59. Easily customize the width with 6 levels for varied exercises. The vibrant pink design adds fun and excitement to practice sessions. Safe, durable, and designed for easy setup, these bars make gymnastic training accessible for young enthusiasts. Advantages: perfect for home training. This equipment fits well in home spaces. Children can practice conveniently and safely. Customizable heights and widths. Adjustable to 13 height levels and 6 width levels. Grows with your child. Encourages physical activity. List number 5. The Funchier Gymnastics Bar. Elevate your child's gymnastics practice with the FC Funchier Gymnastics Bar. Designed for kids ages 5 to 20, this adjustable bar grows with them. Strong and sturdy, it supports up to 500 pounds, ensuring safety during training. Heights range from 35.4 to 59 or 45 to 71, offering flexibility. Perfect for home gyms, it brings professional quality right to your living room. Advantages: great for kids and teens. The Funchier Gymnastics Bar suits ages 5 to 20. Adjustable height options. Easily adapts to different skill levels and growth. Strong and safe. Supports up to 500 pounds for secure practice. Perfect for home. Creates a personal gym space for daily exercise. Boosts confidence and skills. Encourages active play and physical development.